Welcome to part 26 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course. In this video, we will learn about gradients in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, make a shape. For example, let's add gradient to this shape. Now open the gradient panel. There are several places where you can find the gradient panel in Adobe Illustrator. The toolbar, between fill and stroke, and the appearance panel when you have an object selected. And specify a gradient from the pull down menu next to the icon showing the gradient in the upper left of the panel. Now choose the type of gradient, either one that goes across the shape means linear, or one from the center out means radial, or freeform. We will discuss freeform in the next video, and you can find its link in the comment section below and also in the description. You can change the angle of the gradient if it is linear by typing in a number in the box below the gradient type, and you can change where the fade of one color to the next happens by dragging the diamond at the top of the bar showing the gradient. To change the color of gradient, click on either the start or the end color slider button at the bottom of the bar showing the gradient. When clicked, the slider will have a highlighted edge showing it is selected. Double-click the slider to change the slider color. You can add colors to your gradient by clicking where a new slider would appear below the bar showing the gradient. Move the circle slider around until you get the gradient effect that you like, and you can delete colors by dragging the slider away. You can save a gradient that you make from the swatches panel. For example, let's save the gradient from this shape. Select the shape. You will see the fill color on the swatches panel. Click on the fill color and drag it to the section below, behind other gradient. You can also click on the swatches menu in the top right corner of the panel and choose new swatch. If you want to permanently save this, then click on the swatch libraries menu and choose save swatches. Save it as a swatch file and give it a name. Don't underestimate the step because you will need to remember the name to find the gradient to use later. Click Save and you can find the saved gradient from the Swatches Library menu and User Define. You can use it in any other Adobe Illustrator document. One important thing to notice is you can also control your gradient using the Gradient tool, and you can use this tool to have the gradient go across multiple objects. You group them first. If you don't want to make your own gradient, you can choose the preset gradients from the swatches panel, swatches libraries menu, and gradients. Congratulations, you have learned pretty much everything about using gradients in Adobe Illustrator. If you run into any problem using gradients, leave a comment below and I will try my best to help. That's all in our part 26 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 27.